Hello friends. So in this video I am going to show you how we can display questions with previous and next button. So you can see I create this simple maths exam and added few questions. So when I click on this, you can see the dashboard page is opened and here countdown timer is also working. But now here in this white place we are going to add questions. So for that I am going to open this dashboard.php. So you can see this is our page, and now here we are going to write our code. So first of all, here we are going to do design. So I am going to write here br, then this div we are going to generate for displaying how many questions are in this exam and in which questions right now we are on. So first of all, this is the div, and here I am going to write division class row, and here we are going to write, so we can get exact idea. Yeah, that's fine now. So we take division class row, then I'm going to use one more br, and here division class, here we are going to take call lg2, then call lg push 10, because we want to display this on right side corner, that's why. And now here we are going to take division, class is not needed, we are going to take id, here we are going to use style, then float left. Yeah, and here we are going to display 0. Now I'm going to copy, paste here. Here I'm going to delete this because here we are going to display slash, that's why. So this is the slash, and now again I'm going to copy this, here paste, and now here I'm going to give name total underscore QE. Okay, so now we are going to take one more div for display questions with option. So here I am going to take this division class row, here I am going to take margin top around 30 pixel, you can change according to your need. Now again division class row, here div class call lg10, then call lg push 1, here we are going to use style, we are going to give height, and we are going to give background color, so it is white, and we can give here id. So we are going to give id load underscore questions. Yeah, that's fine now. Yeah, so this is for displaying our questions. Now we are going to take one more div to display previous and next button. So for that I am going to take one more div, div class row, here I am going to take style, we are going to use margin top around 10 pixel. Now I'm going to take div class, here I am going to take call lg6, then call lg push 3, and here we can use style around mean height 50 pixel. And text center, Now here we are going to take button, so input type button. We are going to take button because we are going to use Ajax. Ajax is a one kind of JavaScript, so you cannot take here submit, you have to take here button. Class btn warning. It is not one kind of warning, this is for color combination, that's why. Value previous, and here I am going to take on click event load underscore previous. That function we are going to create, but right now I just take it here. Now copy paste. Here I am going to change this button warning to button success. Here I am going to take next, and here we are going to change our function name load underscore next. Yeah, that's fine now. So now here we are going to check our div is okay or not. So here I'm going to click this. Yeah, this is perfect. Yeah, this is also perfect. Now we are going to start our function. So I'm going to take script type text JavaScript, and we are going to take first function load underscore total underscore QUE. Yeah, so here we need to write Ajax code. So best thing is that just open this. In which page we use Ajax? Yeah, in select exam page. And now you can copy this code from the select exam page and just paste here. This is the Ajax code, so you don't need to write again, you can copy and paste there. So here we are going to change for Ajax. Here load underscore total underscore QUE.php. So we are going to create this type of file, but don't worry. And in response document dot get element by id. Here we are going to give our div name total underscore QE. We are going to display response over there, that's why. Inner HTML, and here it's http dot response text. Yeah, this is fine. So now we are going to create load underscore total underscore question file. So I am going to copy this, and here I am going to create new file. Yeah, so this file is here, and now we are going to write code here. So here I am going to start session, then we are going to include connection file, then $total underscore q is equal to 0. We are going to calculate total questions, number of questions, that's why. $res1 is equal to mysqli underscore query, then $link. Now here we are going to write select query, select star from questions, where category is equal to $underscore session exam underscore category. Now here $total q is equal to mysqli underscore number of rows, then here we are going to pass $res1. Yeah, now echo $total underscore QE. So this file is ready. Now here we are going to create one more function. So this for more function we need to write again Ajax. So variable I am going to declare one variable question number is equal to 1, then function load underscore questions, and here we are going to pass this question number. Yeah, so I pass here this question number, and this function I am going to call here. Yeah, this is fine. Now here again we need to write edges, so I am going to just copy this. I am going to paste here, and now we are going to change here our file name. So here I am going to write load underscore questions.php, and here we are going to pass question number is equal to question number which we get here, this question number. Yeah, and I am going to response this, and we need to write here another response. That's why first of all here we are going to write document dot get element by id, current underscore qe dot inner html is equal to question number. We are going to display this current question number here. That's why now here if html http dot response text is equal to over, it means exam is over, otherwise else. So in if we are going to forward on result page, so window dot location is equal to result.php, otherwise in else we are going to display question, so document dot get element by id, here load underscore questions dot inner html is equal to html http dot response text, and then after load total queue. Yeah, so now here we need to create this file, but before that we need to create load previous and load next function. So I am going to create that load underscore previous, and same way load underscore next. Yeah, so in load previous we are going to write if question number is equal to 1, then question number, otherwise in else question number is equal to eval question number -1, and then load underscore questions, here question number. So basically what we did here, actually you can see load previous. So if we are on first question, then we need to pass that first, but if we are on second, third, fourth question, then we need to decrease one and we need to set that. That's why we decrease here. Same thing, we are going to copy this in next, paste, and here we need to do only plus. Yeah, that's fine now. So now we are going to create this file. After this file we can see output, because this is very big code, so we need to write all the code, then and then you can get idea actually what answer you are getting. Here first of all I am going to write session start, then include, and now we are going to declare variable question number, then question, then opt1, opt2, opt3, opt4. Yeah, so this is the 2, this is the 3, this is the 4, and now answer and now count, and now answer. Yeah, that's fine. Now we are going to declare one variable. Yeah, question number is equal to $get question number, which we passed from our previous page. Now here we need to write one condition that I will explain you later, but we need to write here is set oh yeah, I will explain you this later on, but right now just write here. Now we are going to write our select query, so mysqli underscore query, then $length. Here we are going to count our remaining questions, because right now if we are on question number 5, then we need to check how many questions are remain. That's why. So now here select star from questions, then where category is equal to underscore session exam underscore category, and we are going to pass here question number is equal to underscore get question number. Yeah, so this is fine. Question number underscore get question number. Yeah, this is fine. Now here $count is equal to mysqli underscore number of rows, and here we are going to pass $res. Yeah, if $count is equal to 0, otherwise else. If count is equal to 0, it means exam is over, so here we are going to pass over. So here you can see we use this condition. If response is over, it means exam is over, and we are going to forward user to a result.php. Yeah, now here we are going to load our questions. So while $row is equal to mysqli underscore fetch underscore array, then $res. Yeah, this is fine. Now $question number is equal to $row question number, then $question is equal to $row question, then $opt1 is equal to $row opt1. Now just copy paste opt2 opt3 opt4, here also 2 3 4, and yeah, now we are going to display this. So br and here I am going to take table, then tr, then td. We are going to display first question, so I am going to take font weight bold, then I'm going to set font style, yeah, font size 18 pixel, then we are going to give padding around 5 pixel, and we can give call span too. Yeah, now here we can display our question. So here echo we are going to display on round bracket, that's why. Question number, then dot, yeah, then dot, and here we are going to display our question. Yeah, this is fine. Now here we are going to add one more table for display option. So table, then tr, and now I am going to write td. Yeah, so in this td we are going to take input type radio, then I am going to give name r1 and also id r1, then I am going to give value echo $opt1, and here if $ans is equal to $opt1, then we are going to echo check, we are going to check this, otherwise else else not needed. Yeah, this td is over. Now here we can take another td. This was for chatbots, sorry, for radio button, but now we are going to take the one kind of option, we are going to display our option. So here td style padding left, here I am going to take 10 pixel, and now here I am going to display that question. So because we have two types of option, one is with image and one is normal, so we are going to check here condition. In else direct we can type $opt1 and not equal to false, then we need to display here image. So here we can write imgsrc, here admin slash, and we can write here echo $opt1 I30, and we are going to take with 30. Yeah, so we display here one option only. So if one option work proper, then we can display here multiple option, but first of all we are going to check one option is displaying or not. So here I am going to refresh. Yeah, here we are getting error load underscore total underscore QE. So what is the problem that we are going to check? Oh yeah, here spelling is incorrect, that's why. So I am going to refresh this. You can see I had a total 7 questions, so here I can see 7, and this is the first question, that's why I can see first. We are going to check next. Yeah, next is also working, you can see this loaded. Yeah, previous working. Yeah, but now you can see we display here only one option. Now I am going to display multiple option. This is very easy now. Just copy this tr, I am going to remove little bit spaces. Okay, now just copy this, paste here, and do one thing only, and that is just opt2. Yeah, that's fine. Now just paste OPT3. And now here I am going to display OPT4. Yeah, now we are going to check. Yeah, we are getting this, but now yeah, now it looks fine. You can see option is little bit inside. If you want to display a parallel, then you can decrease here like this. Yeah, this is parallel. So you can see now next is working, previous is working, this question are loading. Yeah, image is also I am going to show you, because in question number 7 this is the image. I added image, so image is also displaying here. So this way you can display questions with options and this previous next functionalities. In next video I am going to show you, when we click on this radio button, means we are going to select this answer. On that time we need to store that answer in session. That I am going to show you in next video. So I hope you like this video. So if you like my video, then please like it and share it maximum. Thank you so much again.